Welcome back to my MyiDevice. In this video, I will walk you through the steps to update your Apple ID email address. Whether you're updating your email address for better security or just switching to a new one, this tutorial has got you covered. So stick around for a complete guide. To change your Apple ID email address or update your Apple account email address, first of all open up the browser and after that go to this URL accounts.apple.com. As you can see guys, accounts.apple.com. Now enter and we will go to this page and after that click on sign in. Here guys, in this page we have two options. First, type your current Apple ID, or if you made your Apple ID by phone number, just write your phone number and your password. Guys, we have two type of Apple ID. One which is made by actually phone number, which means 2FA ID, and another one which is made by security question. So I will tell you how to log in and go to the main page with each of them. So first I will cover the 2FA ID and after that security questions ID. So here you need just to type your email address, which is your Apple ID, and after that type your password. Now enter and wait. Now here guys, as you can see, you must enter your verification code, which is sent as a message to your actually phone number which you made this Apple ID with this number. So this is the six-digit code. As you can see, I got the code here. I will actually put my code on the fields and we will go to the main page. Next, I will tell you for security questions ID. So be patient and just see the video. Now I will continue by the Apple ID which is made by three security questions. As you can see here, I will type my Apple ID, which is my email address, and then my password here. And after that enter and we will go to next page, which you must actually put your security questions answer here. As you can see, what city and actually which your friends. Now I will type my answers here and just click on continue. And in this page guys, you must just click on the other option. So if you wanna actually add a phone number to your Apple ID, just click on this actually button. If not, I always actually recommend you to don't upgrade, just click on it. And here guys, we will go to the main page. Now on the main page, you have so many options to customize your Apple ID, but we want to update our Apple ID email address. So this is first log into the email address you want your current email address to be transferred to and change it to. In the email address you want your Apple ID to be. So as you can see guys, this is the email address which I want to transfer my Apple ID to this email address. I mean, this is my second email address and I want to change my Apple ID email address to this one. So we will go back to the main page and here guys, when you click on the Apple account, this button here, and be sure you are on the sign in and security tab. So just click on Apple account and here guys, as you can see, you have option to input your email address. So here just type your second email address which you want to be your actually Apple ID. As you can see, I copy and paste it here and just guys click on the change primary email and you will get verification code on this email address. So type your password here, your current password. Let me copy and paste it and just click on the continue. And after that guys, go to your email address inbox and check your verification code. So I will again go back to my second email address which I want to be my actually Apple ID, my new Apple ID, my new email address Apple ID. So here as you can see, we have a verification code for this email address. So guys, just copy and type this code. As you can see, I got this code on my second email address. So copy and type this code. I will paste it here and just click on the continue. And done, guys. As you can see, your Apple account has been changed successfully. So when you got this actually message box, everything is fine. So as you can see, guys, now on Apple account I have my actually new email address, as you can see, and here you can check it. My new address is here and all of my information is right, actually is like before. So just I changed my email address, and as you can see, everywhere my email address is changed to the new one. So let me actually tell you important point, guys. So after that, guys, you will get another email address which actually shows that the second your first Apple ID, which it was like this, is changed to the new one, which you are actually in the email address inbox. So which is so easy to find your first Apple ID email address and your second email address. I mean, the email address your Apple ID was on and the email address your Apple ID was transferred to. So as you can see, guys, it was so easy to change your Apple ID email address and update your Apple account email address. So guys, we are done here. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and recommendations. As always, thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.